Hi everyone, welcome to Code. I'm Jeremy. Thanks so much for joining. I just wanted to give a quick shout out and thank you for everyone who has subscribed. We started small and mighty, but check it out, we're already at 130, so I think that's pretty awesome, and hopefully what I'm posting is helping you. If you check out my latest video, which is the tutorial on how to copy paste, oh man, horrible view duration, so maybe it's too complex for people, but one other thing, I have posted the code in the description, so if you go to the video of this, anytime I post a video, I will have the link to my Google spreadsheets. Now, you will not get a file because I'm a cybersecurity sys. However, you will get the code over here. Unfortunately, if you try to export it, sometimes it loses the line breaks, so the code looks gnarly. But tell me if you guys have problems, or maybe you can copy this to your own Google Sheets. I don't know if it'll let you copy it, make a copy for yourself, but I have code listed. I actually have whether it works in Excel, what the module name is, a short explanation, etc. So again, thank you so much. More videos on the way. Have a great day.